In this video, we'll be showing you where you can see everyone that's volunteered for your event. First, make sure you are logged in as an administrator. From your main navigation, head to Reports and then Volunteers. By default, your volunteers report will show you the latest events set up on your website. To select your event, click on Select Event and then choose the year and then the event from the drop-down menu. Your volunteers report will show you all tasks that you have assigned and all customers that have signed up to volunteer for those tasks. You can also see whether the volunteer is DBS checked or a first aider. By default, all tasks are grouped by task name. This means the only available export option is to export to PDF through your Manage menu. If you would like to export to Excel, then select Group By and No Group, and you can then select to export it to Excel, PDF or Copy. Exporting to Excel will allow you to manipulate the data further off platform. If you need to delete a volunteer, click the bin icon next to the volunteer. You can also email volunteers by clicking Email Volunteers from your Manage menu. You can then email all volunteers or those that have volunteered for a specific task. For example, if you need to send out your health and safety policy to those that have volunteered to help cook on the barbecue, you could select the barbecue cooks task and this would only email those volunteers. You can then enter a subject and your message, and you can add up to 2 attachments. Click on the Send Email button when you are ready to send. And that's it, you can now successfully see everyone that's volunteered for your event. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.